Okay, so let's to discuss the per unit system. Okay, so per unit system for any electrical machine or electrical system, the various calculations are commonly done by using the per unit quantity. Okay, so per unit quantity for any system, the per unit value are obtained by choosing a set of value which can be chosen arbitrarily or try to choose the highest value of the system. Okay, so highest value of the system you choose as the base value and then try to convert the voltage or current or resistance in per unit. Okay, so just try to share the screen. Yeah, so the per unit system calculation is very easy. So that's why people maybe more frequently use in the per unit calculation. Okay, so per unit quantity is defined as the is as the defined as the actual value of the quantity in any unit, actual value of the quantity in any unit divided by base value of that quantity in the same unit, divided by the base value of the quantity in the same unit. Okay, so of the quantity in the same unit. Okay, same unit. So actual value of the quantity, that means resistance, reactance. Suppose that if you want to convert the resistance value in per unit, that means the resistance value in ohms divided by base value in ohm. Okay, that means same unit. You have to choose the quantity in same unit. Actual value of the quantity divided by the base value of that quantity in the same unit. Okay. So just try to find out the per unit quantity of transformer for the higher voltage side or lower voltage side. We have already explained the two winding exist. One is your for high voltage side and another is your for low voltage side. Okay, another is your for low voltage side. So okay, fine. So just try to calculate the resistance value here. For the high voltage side. Okay, so for HV side, that means HV side. Okay, so here is your base voltage. That means base voltage is your rated voltage of the high voltage side. Okay, the rated voltage of the high voltage side. That means if you want to choose the base voltage for high voltage side, that means base voltage that will be represented by capital V suffix VH, okay, equal to rated voltage of the HV side. Okay, so just this one represented as base voltage is represented by V suffix VH. That means base value of the high voltage side. Okay, base value along the high voltage side. Is equal to rated voltage on HV side. Rated voltage on HV side. Okay, HV side. And base current represented by IBH, that is nothing but rated current on the HV side. Okay, so base current is represented by I suffix BH. That means I suffix BH. So I suffix BH. Okay, that is equal to the rated current on the HV side. या तो हम लोग रेटेड वैल्यू चूज करेंगे या तो कोई आर्बिट्री वैल्यू चूज करेंगे. हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे ज्यादातर यदि हम लोग चूज कर रहे हैं तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द सिस्टम. ओके, सो हाई वोल्टेज साइड का जो वैल्यू होगा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू वही हम लोग चूज करेंगे एज ए बेस वैल्यू. ओके, सो रेटेड करंट ऑन द एचवी साइड. सो रेटेड करंट on the HV side. Okay, the HV side. Okay. HV side. तो ये बेस करंट हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Rated current at the HV side. That means transformer volt ampere divided by voltage on the HV side. Okay, so I base current equal to transformer rated volt ampere divided by rated voltage on the HV side. So I base equal to transformer rated volt ampere. That means transformer rated volt ampere divided by rated voltage on HV side. Okay, rated voltage on HV side. Okay, HV side. So this base current, that means IBH equal to हम लोग कितना लिख सकते हैं? IBH equal to rated transformer volt ampere. That means volt ampere divided by voltage. Okay, तो क्या मिल जाएगा? करंट मिल जाएगा. So just volt ampere volt ampere, rated volt ampere divided by voltage of HV side, okay, of HV side, HV side, okay, HV side. Similarly, बेस इम्पीडेंस इक्वल टू कितना लिख सकते हैं? बेस इम्पीडेंस इक्वल टू वोल्टेज डिवाइडेड बाय करंट. तो दैट मींस वोल्टेज बेस इम्पीडेंस रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय Z BH. So BH equal to voltage base divided by current base on the HV side. Okay, so voltage base of the HV side divided by current base of the HV side. तो लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so BH. So in this equation, if you multiply by VBH in numerator and denominator, then it will becomes VBH divided by IBH divided by IBH into VBH by VBH into VBH by IBH. यदि मल्टीप्लाई कर दें ऊपर नीचे सेम चीज रहेगा ना. VBH divided by VBH. Okay, so VBH divided by VBH. Okay, that means rated voltage on the HV side का whole square divided by, so क्या लिख सकते हैं? Rated volt ampere, current into voltage, rated volt ampere. Okay, so if this equation divided by 1000 का whole square in numerator and denominator, then we will get dividing the numerator and denominator by the numerator and denominator by 1000 to the power 2. That means 1000 का whole square. Okay, by 1000 का whole square. So maybe written as 1000 whole square so we get the value of Z impedance base equal to the value of कितना हो जाएगा 1000 का होल स्क्वायर. दैट मींस किलो वोल्ट स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं हम लोग इसको 1000 किलो. सो दिस इज योर जेड बेस on the HV side impedance equal to So we can write here Z impedance base value on the HV side equal to Z base BH, that means base value along the HV side, equal to voltage base on the HV side, that means base value on the HV side BH divided by 1000 का होल स्क्वायर divided by 1000 to the power 2 divided by rated volt ampere divided by 1000. So rated volt ampere divided by 1000. Okay, so rated volt ampere divided by 1000 का होल स्क्वायर divided by 1000 का होल स्क्वायर. So 1000 to the power 2. So it can be written as, that means can be converted into kilovolt whole square on the high voltage side divided by कितना हो जाएगा MVA में. So it will be equal to kilovolt whole square base value divided by kilovolt base on the HV side का whole square. Okay, whole to the power square divided by MVA based on the HV side. So MVA based on the HV side. Okay, the HV side. So impedance value हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर लिए. बेस इंपीडेंस वैल्यू हम लोग यहाँ पे किए क्या, बेस वोल्टेज वैल्यू एंड बेस करंट वैल्यू चूज कर लिए ऑन दी HV साइड का. HV साइड का जो भी बेस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, दैट मींस रेटेड वोल्टेज ऑफ द HV साइड एंड रेटेड करंट ऑफ द HV साइड. देन वी जस्ट find the value of base impedance. So base impedance on the HV side equal to voltage divided by current. So this value is becomes as kilovolt base on the HV side का whole square divided by MVA base on the HV side. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the value of resistance, reactance, and impedance on the HV side in per unit. Okay. So in per unit, that means क्या हो जाएगा, resistance, reactance value या impedance value in ohm along the HV side divided by base value of the HV side. यही तो डिफिनेशन है पर यूनिट का ना. Actual value in any unit divided by base value in the same unit. Okay, so we can write here the per unit value of the resistance, reactance, and impedance along the HV side equal to resistance, reactance, or impedance value in ohm divided by base value in the ohm. Okay, so just write here the value of resistance in the HV side, that means REH, that means equivalent resistance along the HV side. हम लोग कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, equivalent resistance So R suffix EH, R suffix EH, that means equivalent resistance along the high voltage side, या equivalent reactance, that means इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, equivalent resistance in HV side पर यूनिट में हम लोग फाइंड आउट करना चाह रहे हैं. ओके, इन पर यूनिट. सो कितना हो जाएगा ये वैल्यू, सफिक्स में कितना लिख देते हैं, पर यूनिट. ओके, इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू, दैट मींस इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस REH इन ओम डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस इन ओम डिवाइडेड बाय base impedance in ohm, base impedance in ohm. So REH, that means either REH दोनों को कन्वर्ट कर लेना है किसमें, बेस पर यूनिट हम लोग यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. दैट मीन्स इक्विवेलेंट रिएक्टेंस, equivalent reactance, that means XE suffix H. Okay, comma Z equivalent in high voltage side, Z equivalent in high voltage side is equal to हम लोग कितना लिख सकते हैं, actual value of resistance, reactance या impedance in ohm divided by base value in ohms. So that means actual value of of REH बेहतर है कि REH XEH JDH this is your actual quantity, that means resistance, reactance and impedance in ohm divided by impedance value of base in ohm. Okay, that means Z base value से क्या करना है, इसको डिवाइड कर देना है हम लोग को. Z base values. Yes. Where XEH, REH and ZEH in ohm and base value is also in ohm. Okay, so that means your per unit quantity is your dimensionless quantity. So one more thing is, similarly we can find the per unit quantity of resistance, reactance and impedance value along the low voltage side. Okay, so for the low voltage side, for the LV side, similarly we can find the resistance, reactance and impedance value LV side, that means side. Okay, so यहाँ पर भी हम लोग को क्या करना है, बेस वोल्टेज जो चूज करना है लो वोल्टेज साइड, वो रेटेड वोल्टेज ऑफ द लो वोल्टेज साइड रहेगा. बेस करंट, दैट मीन्स रेटेड करंट ऑफ LV side. Okay, so rated current of the LV side. So just write down the base voltage VBL base voltage that means VBL equal to rated voltage of LV side. Okay, equal to rated voltage of LV side. Okay. LV side. Similarly, base current, that means IBL. So just ओके, सो बेस करंट इक्वल टू कितना लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? दैट मीन्स IBL. सो बेस करंट दैट मीन्स IBL equal to rated current on the LV side. Okay, so rated current on LV side तो ये IBL इक्वल टू सिमिलरली जिस तरह से हाई वोल्टेज में हम लोग फाइंड आउट किए उसी तरह से फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट मीन्स रेटेड वोल्ट एम्पियर डिवाइडेड बाय रेटेड वोल्टेज ऑफ द लो वोल्टेज साइड. सो IBL इक्वल टू rated voltage of the transformer divided by rated voltage of the LV side. Okay, so IBL equal to transformer rated volt ampere rating, transformer volt ampere rating divided by rated voltage of LV side. Okay, rated voltage of LV side. So just now find out the value of impedance value of the LV side, base impedance value. Okay, that means ZBL. So just ZBL equal to VBL divided by IBL. नहीं, Z base value of the LV side equal to कितना हो जाएगा? Voltage by current of the LV side. Okay, base value. So you can just write impedance of the base value for the LV side, that means BL equal to VBH divided by IBH, voltage by current, that is equal to impedance. So voltage, base voltage of the low voltage side divided by base current of the low voltage side. Okay, so base voltage of the low voltage side divided by current of base current of the low voltage side, IBL, that means IBL. अब सेम चीज यहाँ पे करना क्या हम लोग को, मल्टीप्लाई in numerator and denominator by VBL. Okay, so if you multiply this equation in numerator and denominator by VBL, okay, so it will becomes VBL by IBL, VBL by IBL into VBL divided by VBL, सेम चीज रहेगा, that means IBL. Okay, so multiply by VBL divided by VBL. So VBL divided by IBL. VBL ना, VBL. That means again इसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, बेस वोल्टेज का होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय नीचे वोल्ट, रेटेड वोल्ट एम्पियर ऑफ रेटेड वोल्ट एम्पियर. ओके, सो रेटेड वोल्ट एम्पियर, that means किलो वोल्ट बेस का होल स्क्वायर, सेम चीज आ जाएगा. यदि इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं सिमिलर इक्वेशन की तरह, तो रेटेड वोल्टेज ऑन एचवी साइड का होल स्क्वायर, रेटेड वोल्टेज ऑन दी एलवी साइड का होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय रेटेड वोल्ट एम्पियर. ओके, सो let's write down rated a square of rated voltage on LV side, a square of rated voltage on LV side, divided by rated volt ampere, rated volt ampere. Okay, again if you divide this equation by 1000 का whole square in numerator and denominator, we can got this similar equation as the HV side. Okay, so again if we divide, it means dividing the above equation, by 1000 whole square by so we get these base impedance value in the similar like the HV side. Okay, so we get Z base impedance on the LV side equal to Z base impedance on the LV side equal to kilovolt का whole square base value of the LV side divided by MVA the base value of LV side. Okay, so right kilovolt का whole square, that means kilovolt का whole square base value of LV side. Okay, so PL divided by volt ampere of base value of LV side. So MVA of base value of low voltage side. Okay, so low voltage side. So if you find this equation for that means ZBL. So now you can find out the value of R equivalent resistance or reactance value, equivalent reactance value in per unit. That means actual quantity in the ohm divided by this base value in ohm. Okay, so this is very similar to the HV side. Okay, so just we stop here today, and in the next class, rest of the topics will be discussed in the next class. Okay.